What's up everybody, hope you guys are all doing great. Welcome back to our video tutorial series on how to create amazing AI chatbot. At this point, I'm assuming you've already connected your business Facebook page to your Chatbot Builder account. In this video, we're going to configure our Facebook Messenger settings now that we've connected our Facebook page to our Chatbot Builder account. Alright, so follow along with me, and this is going to be a short video. On the left hand side, you should see where it says settings. Click on that, and then click where it says channels, and then you should see Facebook Messenger right here. Go ahead and click on that. Okay, the very first part says welcome message. Okay, so over here we want to pick a flow that will fire whenever the user tries to initiate engagement with our AI chatbot. Okay, so if you click right here, you notice that you have some different flow options. Now pay attention to two of those flows. They will say welcome message. One of them will say welcome message hyphen audio. All right, and then the other one should say welcome message. What we're going to do is we're going to skip the one that says welcome message audio. We're not going to use that for now. Later on, I'll create a video to cover that feature. Okay, so we want to skip that one, and then we want to look for the one that says welcome message, and we're going to use that. Okay, I renamed mine. I placed AI in front of it and then the text at the end of it, but yours should say something like welcome message. Right, so go ahead and click welcome message. Again, please skip the one that says audio. We are not using that one for now. Okay, so the next thing we want to do is that we want to go over to this part right here where it says greeting. Now this part here is optional. Okay, this one is the greeting message that people see on the welcome screen of your bot. The welcome screen is displayed for people who interact with your bot for the first time. This is the message the user will see before clicking get started button. Alright, now if you look somewhere on the screen, I pasted a picture that shows you where that message can be found. Okay, so if you want to edit that, or if you want to add that message, you can click in there and then you can add your message over here. As you can see, I already added one in here, and the one you see over here should be the same as the one in the image on my screen. Okay, so that's the message that the user will see before they click the button. All right, I'm gonna go back to channels so I don't lose you. Okay, so the next part here says conversation status. Now I don't want us to spend too much time over here. Later on, I'm going to create dedicated videos for each of these other parts over here, because each one of them is kind of unique and can add a lot of fuel to your AI chatbot. Okay, so I think it's worth dedicating videos for each of these parts right here, and we're just going to go ahead and move on. From conversation starters. If you want to learn more, a little bit more about them, just read the section on the right hand side right here. All right, this one says persistent menu is going to allow us to add menu to our chatbot. Later on, again, we will look at that. Okay, we're not going to look at that now. Dynamic persistent menu is another type of cool menu we can add to our bot. Okay, and then we have some other options here. Again, guys, don't worry. We just need to set a few things up so we can have our bot running real quick. I'll come back to these ones in another video that will be dedicated to each part. Okay, so that is it for now. This other part here says refresh permissions. So anytime you sense that your bot is not working right on Facebook Messenger, you can always come over here, and then where it says refresh permissions, you can reconnect it, and then it will reboot the connection between Chatbot Builder and your Facebook page. All right, over here you can always disconnect your Facebook page from Chatbot Builder. Let's say if you need to troubleshoot something and you don't want users to see what you're doing in the back end. You can disconnect it temporarily, and then once you're done, you can reconnect it. All right. So this video is going to be a short one. I just wanted to show you how to configure your Facebook Messenger. The most important thing is this welcome message section here, and maybe the greeting section. All right. Make sure again to choose the one that says welcome message. Do not use the welcome message audio for now. Okay, just let's go with the one that says welcome message in your list. All right. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. I will see you in the next video. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to the channel, so when I upload new videos you'll receive notification. All right, I wish you success. I think you're gonna do great in this tutorial series. Just follow along with me, follow the instructions as I show them to you, and you will get the same results that I get. Okay, if I find any new updates, I will update this tutorial series so that you can always have the most recent updated content. All right, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, bye.